tonight due to all of the snow.
I almost went in the ditch. Luckily, I've seen some rumble strips on the other side. Oh my goodness. Where am I at? I'm only there? I thought I was past that. Oh my God. I was freaking past that.
Morning. Snowfall accumulations will range from 1 to 2 inches near the Interstate 90 corridor to 3 to 6 inches in New Hampton, Iowa, northeast of Rockwell, Wisconsin. In addition to the snow, gusty north winds will create areas of blowing and drifting snow which will reduce visibilities, especially in open areas and on ridge tops. The drifting snow may make some east and west roads impassable. Wind chills late tonight and Wednesday morning will drop into the 10 below to 30 below zero range. Travel conditions will be hazardous through Wednesday morning. If you become stuck or stranded, this bitter cold can be life-threatening. A winter weather advisory means hazardous winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Blowing and drifting snow will produce limited visibilities, and some roads may become blocked by drifting snow. In addition, wind chills will be bitterly cold, so dress appropriately if venturing out. Use caution when traveling, especially in open areas. The latest road conditions from
Yes, can I have Mark in the weather center, please?
Okay, treatment?
Yep. Yeah, Mark, this is Dan Murphy. Hold on a second. I'm on the left side of the road right now. But I was stupid enough to go to work earlier. Just take a quote from me. This is by far, it was going to hit him head on. This is by far the worst I have ever had it. I have ever seen it. I've got it on video, but I've almost watched this car ahead of me go into the ditch 2 or 3 times. And I was following behind him. I thought I was following the yellow line, but all of a sudden I seen a rumble strip, and that was the left side of the road. And it is zero visibility right now. Luckily I had a car ahead of me and a car behind me. But this is by far the worst. This is on 150 between Hazleton and Independence. Is by far the worst that I have ever seen.
Okay.
Okay, just to let
companies of snow falling?
Yes, snow falling and blowing snow. It's still snowing.
Okay.
But I just want to let you know that.
No, I appreciate any of the reports, especially as I get to the later part of the evening here.
I can't. Yeah, I still got to traverse C57 and then 3 miles of gravel road if I can get across the gravel road. But no, I'm in actually a Malibu Classic right now, so. But we'll talk to you later then.
I appreciate it. Thank you for the report.
Yeah, bye.
Be careful. Bye.
Okay, I need that yellow line. What's it? This guy is everywhere. You know, I feel bad for him. I wish he would look on the road, the yellow line. Hazleton. It's the worst 20 miles I've ever seen. Probably the worst is going to come up next. I thought this was bad. Wait till I hit C57 and then the gravel road. Talk about getting stuck. I'm going to have to change my tape here. Change my tape and plug in the battery. Okay, now we're in Hazleton. Getting ready to take a east-west road, C57. Don't worry, slowing down. Thank you. We're going to have to get off here.
A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle. Repeating, a blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday for the following counties in Iowa: Black Hawk, Beaver, Butler, and Grundy. This is a blizzard warning for the following county: Buchanan County, Iowa. Blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday. A blizzard warning remains in effect until noon Wednesday. Snow, heavy at times, will continue tonight and into early Wednesday. Very heavy snowfall rates, over 1 inch per hour, will be likely across much of the area between through 2 a.m. early Wednesday morning. The snow will diminish to 3 a.m. Wednesday morning. Snowfall totals from this afternoon to midday Wednesday are expected to range from 15 to 20 inches along and southeast of the line from Sedalia, Iowa through the Quad Cities to Sterling, Illinois. Northwest of this line.
Can't have this going.